Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix my AI on Snapchat if it's not showing up. So as you can see, I've already have mine here. It is already visible. Now, I'm going to show you how I fix this one. So first things first, you'll have to go to your Play Store or App Store, and then you're going to search for Snapchat. Now here, the first thing that we are going to do is update our Snapchat to the latest version. So if yours is not there, you can just go ahead and look for it in your App Store or Play Store and then update your app. So that is what we're going to be doing first things first. Now, once it's done updating, you can just go ahead and click the open button. And from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and hit the message. Now, if you're already done updating it, but it's still not here, then what you're going to do is just hit that search icon. And then you're going to type here my AI. Just like so. Now you should see it appear here on the topmost corner. You have their friends and groups, but if it's not there, you can just go ahead and look for the top results. So you can see there, say hi to my AI. Just go ahead and click that one, and then from here click the view button. Alright, there you go. So it should appear just like this. Now you can just go ahead and click this button here, and then you can go ahead and say hi to your my AI, or you can go ahead and start customizing and message this one. You can also go ahead and click this one here to customize the AI's personality. You can add a bio or so on and so forth. Now you can also click this one here and then try to change some things here. For example, you have the chat color, the wallpaper, the friendships. So it's private as of the moment. Now you have here different options. Now go ahead and try to choose which one you think fits or is the one that you need. Now congratulations, that is how you're going to fix my AI on Snapchat if it's not showing up.